When do you think there'll be the first billion-dollar company with one human employee?
2026.
Wake up. AI is here, and if you assume any rate of improvement over any reasonable time period, learning how to use AI should become your number one priority.
The smartest solo founders right now are making 5 and 6 figures online. They don't have an entire team, they're one-person machines, and they're using Claude Code and Cowork to do basically 90% of the work for them. So in this video, I'm gonna show you step-by-step how to build a real one-person AI business in 27 days. I'm talking about finding a winning idea, validating it with actual market research, building the MVP, running your entire marketing pipeline, and closing 5-figure deals with polished proposals. All of it, no team, no agency, no co-founder, just you and your Claude stack running an entire business together. And I'm not gonna waste any time, so let's get straight into it. Now here's the thing most people get wrong before they even start. They think a one-person business means doing everything themselves. It doesn't. It means managing everything while your tools are doing the doing. Claude Code is your engineer, Cowork is your operator, you're the founder. That's a whole mindset shift. And once it clicks, the next 7 days make a whole lot more sense. Okay, week 1. Everybody wants the $1 million idea and everybody thinks about it completely wrong. You sit there going, I don't know what to build. Will people even pay for this? Is it good enough? And instead of taking action, you get analysis paralysis. Months go by, no idea, no sales, no clients, no customers. So here's how you use Claude Code to fix that. You let it do the ideation for you. Open Claude Code, give it a real structured prompt, something like research underserved problems in this niche, find where people are actively paying for bad solutions, and hand me back a ranked list of business ideas with reasoning. And it browses, it reads it synthesizes, and it hands you a ranked list, not a generic chatbot list you ask ChatGPT, an actual agent doing real research in real time. But here's where I take it one step further. I grab the top idea and I say, now find me 5 Reddit communities where this pain point gets discussed. Because Reddit is unfiltered, people don't lie Reddit. It's anonymous, so you get the honest version. I ask Claude Code to pull the most upvoted posts complaining about the problem and summarize the exact language people use to describe the frustration. That right there is your market research. You now have the literal words your customers use to describe their own pain, which is pure gold for marketing later. And later in this video, I'll show you how to turn that gold into actual sales. But then before I commit, I ask Claude Code to find the competitors, analyze their pricing, read their reviews on G2 or Trustpilot, and tell me the top 3 complaints people have about the existing tools. That gap and those 3 complaints, that's exactly where your product lives. So by the end of week 1, you walk out with a validated idea, a competitive breakdown, and your customer's own language. The ideation phase that used to take me weeks, now it's basically a 2-hour Claude Code session. All right, now that you've got your idea, in week 2, you build it. And look, I let Claude Code do all the heavy lifting on the build. I'm talking about the back end, the front end, the database, the whole MVP. And for an MVP, speed is everything. It's not about being perfect. And so many of you keep adding more features and more cool little things that you think is cool, and thus you never go out and market. That's the trap. You just need an MVP, that's it. So start every build session right. Drop in a short product brief first, 2 paragraphs, what the app does, who's it for, the tech stack, and what you're building today. That alone doubles the quality of everything Claude produces, so don't skip it. Then, work in sprints, 1 clear task per session. Build this authentication flow, connect to this API, add a dashboard that shows X. Don't cram 5 big features into 1 prompt. That's how you confuse Claude. 1 clean task and let Claude do its magic, review, and move on to the next one. Now here's where it gets a little crazy. Sub-agents. When you're building a real app, you've got multiple tracks of work happening at once. Backend APIs, database models, the front-end components, the authentication layer. Normally you tackle those one by one, but with Claude Code sub-agents, you spin up parallel agents that each take a slice of the build at the same time. One's building your API endpoints, one's setting up your database schema, one's building out front-end component. They share context so nobody steps on anybody's toes, and they all report back to the main agent orchestrating the whole thing. What used to be a week of solo building becomes a single afternoon, and I've watched people with 0 coding background ship a working product this way. It's kind of insane. All right, quick sidebar. This is exactly the kind of system we build at Autoploy. When a business owner comes to us and says, I need this thing built and running without me babysitting it, this is the stuff we set up. So if that's you, go to autoploy.us or first link in the description. Okay, back to the video. Now, week 3, marketing. Please pay attention to this part of this video, because this is where almost everybody fails and probably where you struggle the most. Here's the first mistake. People finish the build and then go, okay, now I need to figure out the marketing. Wrong order. The moment you start building, you start marketing. You're posting on X, on LinkedIn, on Instagram. You show the build process, you tease what you're working on, and you build the audience before the product is ready. That should be your goal from day 1. But wait, you said Claude would do my marketing for me. It will. Well, mostly. So keep listening. Here's the content pipeline I run. I keep a document with my best performing posts and scripts, the stuff that's already worked, and I feed it into Claude Code as a knowledge base so it learns my voice. Then during the week, I just record a quick voice memo or drop a bullet list of what I've been building or learning. Claude takes that, writes me an X post, a LinkedIn post, and a short form script for a reel or any YouTube short, all in my voice. All I need to do is approve them and then they go out. Well, I would technically have to record first and then edit. But this is where Cowork really earns a spot. Cowork sits on top of your actual files and your actual desktop. So it's not just generating text in a vacuum. It's pulling from your real notes, your real build logs, your real calendar, and staging everything for you. Picture this. It's Sunday night, you're on the couch watching a basketball game or a football game, and you tell Cowork, review this week's content calendar, draft 3 posts for my latest build notes, and have everything staged on my desktop for review in the morning. Then you go to bed, and on Monday morning, you open your laptop and it's all sitting there. Written posts ready to go. All you do is review, approve, and publish. That content pipeline that used to take 45 minutes to an hour of my day, now it's 8 minutes because I'm approving work that already get done while sleeping or doom scrolling. That's what operating as a one-person business actually means. You're not doing the work, you're managing the work, and your employees are Claude Code and Cowork. Oh, and one more piece of sauce since you made it this far, if you're building a B2B tool, Claude Code can run your outreach too. Give it your ideal customer, your offer, and your tone, and it'll draft personalized LinkedIn DMs, code email sequences, and follow-ups, and drop them into a clean little UI you can copy and paste from. Having that automated is what keeps you consistent with marketing, and consistency is the whole game. You can also have this process automated. If you want to, go to the first link in the description or autoplay.us. All right, week 4. You've got a product and you've got eyeballs on it. Now you've got the close. This is where most technical people completely fumble. A potential client says, hey, send me a proposal. And suddenly, the person who can build an entire app in a week takes 2 weeks to write a 2-page document. I used to be that person and I'm not anymore. Now I use Cowork for this. I take the transcript from my sales call that I get from Notion AI, I drop it into the proposal system that's powered by Cowork, and it writes a proposal for me. It's trained on all my previous proposals that I've actually closed, so it knows the structure, the tone, the framing, everything that works. It builds a proposal, I give it a quick read, and I send it to the client. So let's recap the 27 days. Week 1, use Claude Code to find and validate the idea, ranked ideas, Reddit research, competitor gaps, your competitor's own words. Week 2, you build the MVP with Claude Code and sub-agents in an afternoon instead of a month. And week 3, you run your entire content outreach pipeline through Claude Code and Cowork, stage and ready while you sleep. And week 4, you close the deal with a polished Cowork-written proposals that make you look like a legit company and agency. That's a real one-person AI business. The question was never, can one person actually do all this? You just watch how. The only real question is whether you start. If you want the exact prompts, the product brief template, and the proposal setup I use, they're in the free school community, link in the description. And if you want us to build a system to automate your existing business like this for you, that's what we do at Autoploy. Autoploy.us or first link in the description below if you're interested. So if this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe. I post content every 2 to 3 days and I'll see you in the next one. Happy building.